Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need WhatsApp on your phone and a connection, so start now by opening your phone's browser and switching it to desktop mode. Once done, navigate to Web. WhatsApp. It shows a QR code only in desktop mode. Make sure your phone stays unlocked and notifications allowed, otherwise scanning fails. While you wait for the QR code to load, open WhatsApp on your phone and tap the camera icon in chats to prepare scanning. This sets up the first actionable link between devices. Now you'll link devices. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Linked Devices, and tap Link a Device. You'll be prompted to use your phone camera. Aim it at the QR code shown in your browser and hold steady until it scans. Once scanned, the web session loads your chats and media. This happens because WhatsApp mirrors your account through an encrypted channel. Make sure to select Keep Me Signed In only if the device is private. Otherwise, leave it unchecked for security reasons. Complete the setup by typing a message, sending a file, and checking notifications. You now use WhatsApp with a full keyboard and desktop-like controls. If scanning fails, refresh the web page, toggle desktop mode off and on, or restart your phone camera. Sometimes clearing browser cache fixes persistent QR issues. Make sure both devices stay online. To sign out, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Linked Devices, and terminate the session. That immediately
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.